How to check Brawl Stars ping 2025 full guide. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can check Brawl Stars ping in 2025. So first of all, Brawl Stars, unlike some other games, doesn't display a numerical ping value directly within the game interface. So you can infer your ping by observing how responsive the game is. If you experiencing lag, delays in the action or movements, it suggests a higher ping. And your ping is influenced by the distance between your device and the game servers, as well as the stability of your internet connection and wired connection. Using a Ethernet cable to connect your router provides a more stable and faster connection than Wi-Fi, and ensure your internet connection is reliable and not experiencing frequent drops or slowdowns. And playing during times of high server activity might lead to better connection, as fewer players might be sharing the same server. And you can use some tools for optimization, like some players use tools like exit lag to optimize their connection by routing game traffic through the fastest servers and potentially minimizing lag and improving ping. And if playing on PC, ensure your graphics settings are optimized and then that you are using the latest version of the emulator if you are using one. So that's it for this video guys. See you on the next one.